Hi, I'm from Techie Dialogue, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a Gaussian blur in DaVinci Resolve step by step. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our tutorials. Step 1. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the Edit page. Locate the clip you want to blur in the timeline. Step 2. Next, go to the Effects library by clicking on the Effects tab in the top left corner. Under the Open Effects section, scroll down or use the search bar to find Gaussian Blur. Step 3. Drag and drop the Gaussian Blur effect onto your clip in the timeline. Once applied, select the clip and go to the Inspector panel on the right-hand side. Step 4. In the Inspector panel, navigate to the Effects tab. Here you'll see the Gaussian blur settings. Adjust the strength slider to control the intensity of the blur effect. You can also fine-tune the horizontal and vertical blur separately if needed. Step 5. If you want to animate the blur effect over time, use keyframes by clicking the small diamond icon next to the strength slider. This allows you to gradually increase or decrease the blur effect at specific points in your video. And that's it. Now you know how to add and customize a Gaussian blur in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.